Hi, I'm Andrzej Lubashka with Analog Way. Welcome to ISE 2026. We're here at the Analog Way booth showing off what Analog Way has brought to the show. So here we have our Aqualon family of products. So we have the RS6, our 6U Aqualon, 5U, 4U, and our newest C Mini 3U Aqualon. All of them feature the same custom configurable connectivity. So take a look at the back. Every Aqualon can be customized with your choice of connectorization. So we support DisplayPort, HDMI, SDI, SDVoE, 2110, point-to-point fiber, and you're also seeing our link connection here. So with all that connectivity, you can choose what meets your project needs best. You can link multiple Aqualons together, up to 4 of any size, any configuration. So that makes you a solution that could go up to 64 4K outputs worth of canvas, which is huge. If you need more, call me, we'll figure it out. My favorite part about the C Mini is now with our new 8-input SDI and our 8-input HDMI card, you can get 16 inputs on the C Mini and 12 outputs, and that gives you, a nice medium to small project point. But if you need more, you can always link more. Let's take a look over here. We've got our station showing, build out if you're, for a live operator. So if you've got an auditorium or any other sort of, setup where you've got a live operator, you can get the RC400T control panel, showing the multi-viewer on the left, running at a custom resolution, wide format display. Got the WebRCS, another way to control the product, right from the web browser, so that way you never have to install another piece of software to keep track of your device. And showing a nice setup here. Over around here, we have other members of our family, with the Zenith 200 and the 100 not shown, as well as the ICOS 4K, Pulse, and other smaller parts of our family. If the Aqualon is a little more than you need, we can size down to a smaller solution. We also have our CorePlay Solo, and I'll show you a demo of that over here. So we've got our CorePlay Solo. We're showing off one of the newer features to link the system to timecode, so you can execute your clips. The CorePlay Solo is designed for live event operation where you need that high reliability playback. So you could go out and straight to your screen at regular or custom resolutions with up to 10-bit color and support for a range of codecs. But the CorePlay makes it different. Is it's super easy to use. So that's if you want to learn more about that, you can check out our website. That's analogway.com. On there we have all sorts of information about our products, but also simulators where you can download and understand how our product's going to work for you before you even see the product in person. So thank you so much. Glad to be here, and see you next year.